pride and honor to present to you our accomplishments for the period October 1, 2024 to September 30. So these achievements are much the result of the hard work of all the directors as they are mine. For the past 2 years, I was blessed to have worked with the dynamic set of directors whose diverse experiences and skills were the source of our collective
Let's
strength.
just run. We've only just begun. So let's just run.
So ano ba yung package na gusto natin iparating ngayon sa convention natin? Una is sustainable governance, di ba? That's the reason why we invited these speakers for us ma-guide tayo. Ano ba yung mga kailangan natin to ensure that our government can be sustained, especially for internal audit. Aside from that, gusto rin natin ipakita ano yung current trends na mag-a-update sa mga ginagawa ng internal auditors.
Now, taking in the wonder that's all around. Ready for a moment to chase it down.
Yung mga speakers natin ngayon, napaka-jam-pack. Ang timely ng topics nila, nakapag-import sila ng maraming learning sa aming mga umattend ngayon. Kudos to Agia.
We've only just begun. So let's just run. Our time has finally come. So let's just run. There's so much more to come. There's something I can feel standing here before the daylight.
Yung mga natutunan natin sa convention na to, sa using AI sa ating mga trabaho, talagang magagamit natin kasi mas mapapabilis natin yung transactions, mas mabilis na tayong magko-collect ng data, mas mabilis ang results.
We've only just begun. So let's just run. Our time has finally come. So let's just run.
So, ngayon, it's a full packed day. Ang dami kami natutunan from the start today hanggang ngayon. Kung saan madaming avenues yung internal auditors to development, professional development. Hindi lang bilang internal auditors, pwede rin PQA auditors din, no? Or assessors.
Every single step we took along the way, and we made it to this moment like we always knew we would. And this is where it all gets good. Let's get lost, get
So, madami ko kayong mabibitbit o madadala namin sa aming mga LGUs, kagaya ko po. So, about communications, effectiveness ng internal audit systems mo nila. So, ayun lamang.
say yes. Running on intuition, running on open roads and possibility.
It is my third time to attend an Agia convention, and I find Palawan talaga na exciting because kilala naman natin ang Palawan as a nature haven, and given the topic now in this convention is the sustainable leadership in public governance.
Get lost, get found. We can dream it all out loud. Take our chance chances on what happens next. All we gotta do is say yes. Right now, we can build it from the ground. See how wonderful this world can get. All we gotta do is say yes. Say yes. All we gotta do is say yes. Say yes. All we gotta do is say yes.
So, experience ko dito sa Agia Convention sa Palawan, okay, kasi ito yung na-attendan ko na pinakamaraming participants and very lively, aside from maraming environmental scanning after.
When you find yourself in the place you always hope for.
What I've learned for the duration of the seminar is that there should be effective communication between auditees, and also we need to have a balanced work with our health and also our work, and also the values that I have learned from this seminar, and also the camaraderie with other internal auditors national.
This is just the start. When beauty meets the mystery, I'll take every part. If this is the beginning, and this is
Yung naging preparation dito is very challenging because now we are not expecting this big crowd. And maybe na-inspire din sila doon sa team. And it also give us hope. So also this case, the participants represent hope. With this more than 1,000, alam natin na nandiyan pa rin yung commitment to serve with integrity and honesty like that. So yun ang gusto natin yung ethical values sa pagre-render ng service.
This is just the start. When beauty meets the mystery, I'll take every part. If this is the beginning, this is the Sometimes you just know it, and we're standing in the place we've always hoped for.
I'm very happy na naging successful itong convention na to, and we are thankful for the participants who came all the way from different parts of the Philippines na nag-attend, nakisama sa ating kasiyahan, and we hope that you have learned something from this convention.
This is just the start. Beauty meets the mystery. I'll take every part. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. Sometimes you just know it, and we're standing in the place we've always hoped for. It's right at our feet.